So we're doing this Ask John show to share and promote different leaders for our industry, to inspire other people to become a leader in the future. And today we are almost 170th episode of Ask John show. We've been running it almost 3 years. So how do you feel about this initiative, Tom?
Yeah, to me it's great initiative. Like it can create a lot of values for other, like it can be young people or mostly young people, or can be older people if they have, just like me before. If they want to do something differently, they want to create more values. So I think it's great initiative, great sharings for people.
Thank you, San.
Keep going.
Thank you, San. It's a pleasure to having you, and I think those sharing from your side was definitely going to be valuable for a lot of audience too.